My life has changed like drastically since Beachbody coaching. When I originally started as a Beachbody coach, I was living in an apartment with a roommate. I was working full-time as an administrative assistant and part-time in retail. And on top of that, I still wasn't able to make my bills, and I was selling things every month on eBay. Through Beachbody coaching, I've found that I'm able to share my passion and my success that I've had with this fitness side of Beachbody and take that to the business side to take control of my life and to start earning money. And as a full-time Beachbody coach, I'm averaging probably about $1,800 a week right now, which is more than I've ever made in my life. So, and I'm only working about 3 hours every day to earn that much money. I don't even have to work full-time. I'm not selling things on eBay. Instead, I'm like shopping online. The one thing that I really use the money for is taking myself on trips, and I've been to the airport more times in like the last couple of years than my entire life. It's really allowing me to do things I always wanted to do but never had the money to do, which is, it's great. I love it. Because we all have passions that we let go in life, and you know, why do that? So I try to help people by sharing my experience and telling them what's happened to me, how my life has changed, and hopefully be able to inspire them to take that step and that leap in their life as well. The connection that you get with people is just, it's the most rewarding part. I mean, a check is great, but it's even greater when you get a thank you from somebody who you know you've helped.
Great work, Melanie, and thanks for sharing your story. We're pleased to report that in the short time since recording this interview, she's been working the game plan, and her business has doubled. She's moved out of her apartment and into a house. And she finished her car payments a year earlier than expected. Join Melanie and take charge of your life physically and financially while helping others do the same with the Team Beachbody coaching opportunity.